It's 2025. We have satellites in space, AI predicting tsunamis, and GPS that can guide a needle through a haystack. So tell me, why do planes and ships still vanish without a trace in one specific region of our planet? This isn't a 1970s myth. Last year, a modern cargo vessel equipped with real-time navigation systems disappeared off radar. And to this day, no wreckage has been found. Some blame aliens. Others say it's the wrath of the ocean. But what if the truth is more terrifying and more scientific than we ever imagined? Get ready for a journey through real disappearances, hidden scientific research, and a twist involving underwater gas explosions and something called electronic fog. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle's newest disappearances. And the truth they're not telling you. Most people believe the Bermuda Triangle is an old myth, a boogeyman from Cold War-era tabloids. But what if I told you the disappearances never stopped? Let's rewind. The Bermuda Triangle is a loosely defined region in the North Atlantic Ocean. It forms a triangle between Miami, Florida, San Juan, Puerto Rico, Bermuda. In this triangle, over 1,000 ships and aircraft have mysteriously disappeared over the past century. But forget the past. Here's what's happening now. 2023. The MV Rubicon, a Haitian freighter, vanishes. Found drifting with no crew. No signs of struggle, all life jackets untouched. 2024, a private jet from the Bahamas en route to Florida disappears mid-flight. The pilot's last message? It's like everything just went white. 2025, a high-tech oil tanker fitted with AI-stabilized navigation sends out a mayday. We've lost all control, systems not responding. It's like a cloud everywhere. Then silence. All this happened in the same 500,000 square mile region. And yet the world shrugs. But the ocean isn't shrugging, it's swallowing. So what's going on? Why has the Bermuda Triangle resisted explanation for so long? Let's break it down into the top theories, from the believable to the bizarre. 1. Human error and bad weather. Scientists often cite this one. Pilots get confused, storms erupt quickly, the Caribbean is a dangerous place, they say. But this doesn't explain entire fleets vanishing without sending a distress signal. 2. Aliens. Popular in UFO circles. People believe this region is a portal or a refueling station for extraterrestrial crafts. The US Navy even investigated unidentified flying objects in this area. Compelling? Maybe. Provable? Not yet. 3. Atlantis. Yes, some believe the mythical lost city of Atlantis lies beneath the Bermuda Triangle. Its energy crystals are said to interfere with radar and instruments. Sounds wild. But here's the thing. Plato described Atlantis as beyond the Pillars of Hercules, right where the Atlantic begins. Coincidence? 4. Time warps and dimensional shifts. Now we enter sci-fi territory. Some believe the triangle is a tear in space-time. Pilots report losing time, instruments spinning, or seeing walls of cloud that seem sentient. Still think this is fiction? Then buckle up. Let's talk about two real phenomena scientists are finally connecting to the Bermuda Triangle. 1. Methane hydrate explosions. Buried deep beneath the seafloor are methane hydrate pockets, frozen gas trapped under pressure. When these explode, they can cause water density to drop dramatically, make ships lose buoyancy instantly and sink without warning, leave no debris or oil slick because the sea swallows it like quicksand. It's like the ocean breathes in, and anything on top is gone. Some Russian scientists replicated this in a tank, and the model ship disappeared in seconds. So is the Bermuda Triangle sitting on a methane time bomb? Satellite thermal scans reveal strange heat anomalies off the Bahamas. And here's the kicker. In 2025, seismic sensors near the triangle picked up what appeared to be a massive gas bubble release, 30 minutes before the oil tanker vanished. Coincidence or cause? 2. Electronic fog. Now it gets spookier. Pilots and sailors report a strange white mist, like fog but glowing, that scrambles electronics. Known as electronic fog, this field messes with magnetic compasses, disorients radar, makes communication devices fail. Think of it as nature's EMP, an electromagnetic pulse caused by static charge in the air. One famous case, Bruce Gernon, 1970. A pilot flying from the Bahamas to Florida described getting trapped in a tunnel of clouds. His instruments spun out. He felt like he was being pushed by something unseen. He landed 30 minutes ahead of schedule. According to radar, his plane had skipped 100 miles. In seconds. Time travel? Or a natural anomaly we don't yet understand? Scientists today say these clouds may carry charged plasma, which can warp electromagnetic fields. Guess where these clouds form regularly? Over the Bermuda Triangle. Now let's hear from the survivors.
Everything went white. It wasn't fog, it was like we were inside a light bulb. The compass spun, the engine died, then it was gone. Just gone.
I've flown 1,200 hours, but I've never seen that kind of cloud. It had edges, like it was alive. I saw my co-pilot vanish, not walk away. Vanish.
We searched for 10 days. No oil, no life raft, no beacons, nothing. The ship disappeared like it was never built.
These aren't conspiracy theorists. These are trained professionals, pilots, mariners, military. And they're describing something the textbooks don't. You've seen the classic triangle. But today, using AI and satellite imaging, researchers have redrawn the danger zones. Modern maps show 4 hot zones inside the Bermuda Triangle, north of Puerto Rico, the deep waters off Andros Island, the tongue of the ocean, a deep trench, the Bahamas Shelf, where methane activity is highest. Overlay these with disappearance coordinates from the past decade. It's a perfect match. In 2021, a FOIA request revealed that the U.S. Navy conducted classified tests in the triangle involving electromagnetic weapons, seafloor sonar, mapping anti-submarine warfare systems. Why there? Is it just strategy? Or are they monitoring something they're not ready to explain? In 2024, a NASA weather drone flying over the triangle went offline. Its last transmission showed strange cloud anomalies forming perfect geometric shapes. The footage was scrubbed, but a copy leaked, and experts confirmed those clouds should not exist in nature. So here's what we believe is really happening. The Bermuda Triangle is a perfect storm of rare science. Methane gas explosions that can erase ships instantly. Electromagnetic fog that warps navigation, extreme seafloor topography that traps signals. And possibly an energy field we barely understand, but the twist? These phenomena are increasing. Climate change is warming the seafloor, releasing more methane. Solar activity is rising, charging Earth's magnetosphere and triggering stronger electronic fog. And in the chaos, we've returned to an ancient truth. There are places on Earth where nature does not follow the rules. Is the Bermuda Triangle supernatural? Maybe not. But is it more dangerous now than ever before? Absolutely. We must fund more research into underwater gas systems, study atmospheric plasma and electronic fog, remap oceanic magnetic fields, because the disappearances aren't old history. They're happening now, and we're running out of excuses to ignore them. If this blew your mind, don't let this mystery vanish like so many ships did. Share this with someone who still thinks the Bermuda Triangle is just a myth. Subscribe for jaw-dropping documentaries every week. We uncover what textbooks won't, so you never stop learning. And next time you fly over open water, maybe check the coordinates. What's your theory? Atlantis? Aliens? Gas? Drop it in the comments. Let's solve this together.